Question 271. Can you explain the concept of infrastructure drift and how you prevent it in Azure DevOps environments? Infrastructure drift occurs when manual changes diverge from defined infrastructure configurations. In Azure DevOps, I use IAC tools like ARM templates or Terraform to maintain infrastructure consistency, automate updates, and prevent drift through version-controlled deployments. Question 272. How do you manage technical debt in Azure DevOps projects? I address technical debt by prioritizing refactoring tasks, code reviews, and automated testing in Azure DevOps projects. By allocating time for debt reduction, improving code quality, and documenting technical decisions, I ensure sustainable development practices and long-term project success. Question 273. How do you stay updated on the latest trends and technologies in Azure DevOps? I attend industry conferences, participate in webinars, read blogs, and engage in online communities to stay informed about emerging technologies, best practices, and updates in Azure DevOps. By continuously learning and experimenting with new tools, I enhance my skills and adapt to evolving trends. Question 274. Can you describe a challenging problem you encountered in an Azure DevOps project and how you resolved it? In a complex deployment scenario, I encountered an issue with resource provisioning in Azure DevOps. By debugging scripts, analyzing logs, and collaborating with team members, I identified the root cause, implemented a workaround, and optimized the deployment process for successful execution. Question 275. How do you prioritize tasks and manage time effectively in Azure DevOps projects? I use agile methodologies, time management techniques, and project tracking tools like Azure Boards to prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and track progress in Azure DevOps projects. By breaking down work into manageable units, maintaining focus, and adapting to changing priorities, I ensure timely delivery and project success. Question 276. How do you ensure the security of Azure DevOps pipelines? To secure Azure DevOps pipelines, I implement role-based access control, enable multi-factor authentication, utilize secure connections, and regularly update security patches. I also follow best practices for secrets management and integrate security scanning tools. Question 277. Describe how you would set up continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) pipelines in Azure DevOps. I would create a pipeline in Azure DevOps, set up triggers for source code changes, define build and release tasks, configure deployment environments, and automate testing. I would also integrate with tools like Azure Key Vault for secure configuration management. Question 278. Can you explain the difference between Azure Resource Manager templates and Azure Pipelines YAML? Azure Resource Manager templates are used for defining Azure infrastructure as code, while Azure Pipelines YAML is used for defining build and release pipelines as code. Resource Manager templates focus on infrastructure provisioning, while Pipelines YAML focuses on automating CI/CD processes. Question 279. Explain the differences between Azure DevOps boards, repos, pipelines, and test plans. Azure DevOps boards is for work item tracking, repos is for version control, pipelines is for CI/CD automation, and test plans is for test case management. Each component plays a critical role in the software development lifecycle within Azure DevOps. Question 280. How do you integrate Azure DevOps with other Azure services? I integrate Azure DevOps with other Azure services by using service connections, ARM templates, Azure CLI, and REST APIs. I automate the deployment of Azure resources, manage access control, and monitor service health using Azure DevOps integration capabilities. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.